Welcome to the Insights Pipeline Dashboard, your centralized view of all open Revegy opportunities, now smarter and easier to explore. Across the top, you'll find quick insights by fiscal quarter and fiscal year, including the number and total value of open deals. Use the interactive charts to explore your pipeline by stage and close date. Click a stage or quarter to filter the data table below. Instantly zero in on what matters most. Use filters to refine your view by user group, individuals, or custom search terms. The dashboard remembers your last used filters to save time. Admins can manage columns available by clicking the icon here. Include custom fields, or specifically tailor the view to fit your needs. The data table lists all open opportunities, sorted by close date. Quickly jump into records, run CRM syncs, open profiles, or edit scorecards and playbooks right from the table. The opportunity pipeline shows you exactly where you are in the deal at a glance. But you can also click into the scorecard to review or edit without losing your place. Want playbook insights? Dive in, switch stages, and stay in control, all in one view. This dashboard is part of our growing library of focused, insight-driven views helping you quickly assess risk, progress, and opportunity health across your pipeline. Whether you're a sales leader or an account owner, these tools are built to give you clarity and confidence in every stage of the deal cycle.